Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today we are talking about new project which name is Mega BSC.finance. Mega BSC is a design to build alliance with Binance Smart Chain and Polygon network. The project is managed by a team of experts that are experienced in blockchain development and technology. This is a platform for trading cryptocurrency. It enhances trading of traditional currencies, migration of cryptocurrency from one blockchain platform to another. And now we'll talk about Mega BSC farming. This is an automatic money making machine of the Mega BSC community. In liquidity pool, user can deposit tokens for farming to earn great benefits. Feature includes payments of incentive reward with the tokens of partners platforms featured in the community, payments of reward incentive with mega token for members that have leverage position, reward incentive for yield farming. For staking, you can deposit your MEC token in the LP and locking it up in the pool. In order to prove staking transaction on the blockchain, investors can stake MEC token to earn new tokens. The stakes and earning can be withdrawn at any time. Mega referral program, user can get a reward in the Mega referral program through forum and Launchpad. 2% reward is given to users who invited friends. Other functions are leverage, yield farming, Mega BSC Launchpad. You can connect your wallet with Binance Smart Chain and Matic and can buy their tokens. And these are the social links of this Mega BSC. As you can see here, C fund round will start on 1st October. 1 MEC price is equal to BUSD, and the private sale will start 4th October. 1 MEC price is 2 BSD, and this is the total allocation for this round. And public sale round will start at 8 October 2021, and total allocation of MEC token you can read it here. And the initial token distribution chart, you can also watch this chart. Marketing 10%, ecosystem 15%, team 5%, public 40%, private sale 10%. You can buy their token through MetaMask, BUSD and with BNB. And this is the tokenomics detail. Chain network Binance Smart Chain, token name Mega BSC, token ticker MEG. Initial supply 1 million, total supply 5 million, and this is the contract address of Mega BSC. As you can see here, distribution per block, farming 60% and staking 40%. 100% insured protocol. You can read this detail, and these are the security partners. Certic, these are their listing partners: CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DappRadar, PancakeSwap, Bakery, ApeSwap, DeFi Station, BISwap, AutoFarm, Medix. And exchange partners are Bitmart, Hotbit, Probit and OKX. And these are charts of creator DexT, Dex.pro, and this is roadmap detail. They started their journey September 2021, launch MEG token, the first hybrid DeFi protocol insurance, and they are moving forward according to their roadmap. And this is the FAQ section. You can also read all these questions and their answers. And if you want to in touch with them, this is the Telegram. You can join it and can ask any question. And this is the email. You can also join through email. And these are the social links of Mega BSC. Project is strong. Its bounty is live. You can join its bounty. To join bounty, this is the main. First read all rules and then you can apply for this campaign. The bounty will run for 8 weeks, and first phase is ongoing, and it will finish tomorrow, 20th September. These are the regulations. You can read these rules. And first campaign is YouTube campaign. If you are a YouTuber, you can join this campaign. Follow all these social links and then apply for this campaign. Before apply to campaign, you need to provide proof of authentication like this, and after that you can apply for any campaign. To join campaign, this is the registration form. Open it in a new tab and then fill up this form. Blogging campaign. If you are a blogger and can write article, you can join this campaign. These are the tasks you have to follow to write an article. Twitter campaign, Facebook campaign, and Telegram campaign. Translation campaign or campaigns are available. You can join any of these. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.